Sat Shri Akal Ji. So this video is about Loyalist College, which is open for September 24 intake. The post, if you're following our Instagram accounts, you might have already seen this post with the post list. So basically, we are just covering that particular information which we have already posted on our Instagram account on 20th December. So if you're not following our Instagram account, don't forget to follow that. The link is mentioned in the description below. And actually, this is my third attempt of this video. Firstly, I tried to briefly cover the courses, but मुझे ही नहीं मज़ा आया यार करके. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार ये क्या, मतलब कुछ फ़ायदा तो हुआ नहीं इसके साथ. I mean, एक ओवरव्यू सा हो गया ये तो, है ना. ओवरव्यू नहीं, चलो ऑल वीडियोज़ में ओवरव्यू ही होते हैं, बट आई थिंक आई शुड सजेस्ट यू some basic information which I almost cover in every video. So I'm gonna try to cover that. The video is gonna be long, sorry for that, but मुझे खुद भी satisfaction नहीं हो रही इस वीडियो के साथ. So first we are covering undergraduate programs. Okay, first is actually the list which I'm covering line by line has been posted on Instagram and also mentioned in the description below. So if you don't understand any name or pronunciation, sometimes it can be different or sometimes my voice couldn't be clear, so so just check the link, check the description below for the course. So I'm covering in that order which is mentioned in the description. So firstly, college diploma. So firstly I'm covering undergraduate programs. Okay, so first is college diploma in advertising, marketing, communication, creative design. This is for arts background. So I'm covering a bit briefly. Okay, I'm just trying to give you a slight idea of which background student can apply in which program. Okay, although sometimes things can be much more complicated in that, but for not every cases, but for the 90 and 80% of the students, I think it can work. Okay, so first for the arts background, second program is architectural technology technician. It can be good for non-medical or students who have done math and or any related, or they have any kind of related experience. Okay, so this, and then comes biotechnology, which is for medical students. Then comes business and business sales and marketing. Both programs are for commerce background students. And then comes carpentry and renovation technician, chemical engineering technician, construction engineering technician. All these programs are for non-medical students, or if any students has done some kind of related diploma in that kind, after it. And then comes development service worker. And then comes early childhood education. So early childhood education is not for medical students. I know medical students do end up opting for this program, and even after the whole current scenario we have right now for Canada, and people are trying to apply for courses which has more probability of getting PR. So please, I know early childhood I think is being highlighted in the list, or the occupations or skills in demand. But not every student can go for early childhood education. Students from arts background, yes, definitely they can opt for it. Or students, especially students who have done arts and psychology, they are much suited for these kinds of programs. So keep this in mind. You can just randomly pick ना करें courses, कोई फायदा नहीं, कल को visa refuse हो जाएगा and you will struggle. Then comes environmental technician. This is for non-medical students. Then come aesthetic and spa management for art students or commerce students. It is good. Then comes fitness and health promotion. This can go for medical students also. Then comes journal art and science, which is good for art students. Then comes manufacturing engineering technician for non-medical students. Then comes motor power technician diploma. This is also for non-medical students. Then comes paralegal. This is good for art students who have studied law. And then comes recreation, leisure services, social service worker, and so these two programs are good for art background students if you have related subjects also. At the same time, survey engineering technician, computer system technician, these are good for non-medical. And then comes broadcasting, television and filmmaking, or digital content creation, which is good for arts background students who have related experience or subjects. And then comes electromechanical engineering technician, mechatronics, which is good for engineering students obviously. And then comes financial and analysis, college of finance and analytics, which is good for commerce students. Then comes business and business diploma which has already been covered and computer system technician. I think maybe ये cover नहीं हुआ. So this is also for non-medical students. So in this video we are going to cover this and the graduate students. In the next video we will do the postgraduate programs which are open for September 24 intake. I know the list can increase or decrease depending on the courses which are going to open or going to close in the future. So in this video we are covering this, and this list will go up and down in coming days, availability and full होने के accordingly. So keep that in mind. It can change, and if you found this video helpful and informative, जो कि effort है भाई, ठीक है, थोड़ा तो मुझे लगता है क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम के बाद वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. तो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. कीप सपोर्टिंग. बाय बाय.